Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manjunath Chandraya. Today's session we'll be learning index and the match function. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings. Let's start. Why index and match function? It's like an alternate for a VLOOKUP function, but little bit tricky and much more advanced compared to the VLOOKUP function. So let's see what is index function first, and then the match function. Later we'll try to combine index and the match function to get the result. So index function, as the definition says here, Excel index function returns the value at a given position in a range. So if you give a position, say example I have a data here. So data starts from the country starts from 1 here, second row, third row, fourth, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the range is like that. So I want to know which India is in which row. So if you count from here, UK 1, 2, 3. Third row is the India. Position is on third. Whereas the again if we select the data, so I need to know the populations. Obviously it is in second column, right? One country, second column this. We are not considering this because we are selecting only the range from country to this. We're not including the headers also, right? So let's try to get a India in what position it is in, and we need to get the population for that. So for you can use the index function, open bracket, use this insert function. Just click on OK. So it is asking for a array. Array is nothing but the range. So we are not going to start from here. We're going to start from the data where exactly we have the country names and the population. If it's more, you can increase the range. We have two columns. We are selecting these two. It's now it is asking for row number. So we need to give manually the which row number India, which country we are looking for. So I'm looking for India. It's in third. 1, 2, 3. So third row I'm giving 3 here. So if you are looking for a population, whereas I'm trying to look for India only, so the column I don't need. So let's say let's put 1 here because India is in which column? One column, right? The population is second column. So you can see this header here 1 and 2. So I'm giving 1 here. So if you put 2, obviously it takes the population. So let's put 1. So now you can see 1 India, it's already result popping up. So now you can see. So what we are doing, we are trying to give the row number and the column number to get the to arrive at the what country we are looking for. That we need to do manually here. Same thing, let's try for population index. So click FX. So arrange, again select this range. Only the data, I'm not selecting the headers. The row number, so I'm still I'm looking for India 3, and the population. So population is second column. Columns is asking for column numbers. First column country and the population is 2. So 2, you're getting the population 22 million. So it's an rough data. Don't take it as it is an exact data. So now it has popped. The only confusion problem is like we need to find the row number and the column number manually. For these two, row number and column number, we'll try to use a match function to get this row number as well as column number. So this is the index one. Let's try for the match function. So match is Excel function used to locate the position of a lookup value in a row or a number. It's going to give the row number and the column number. So if India, it will give us 3, and the city, it gives us 2 because city is column 1, column 2. So let's try that. So match function, we are trying to look for India as well as the country. So let's put match. Okay, use insert function. So look up value. It says here value. So value means I'm looking for India here. Array is nothing but range. So India, we are looking which column. So country is the column where we need to look for India. So I'm going to select only the country part. So I'm not selecting the header and match. So always put 0 to get the exact match. So click OK. So now it gives the position of the India. So it's in 1, 2, 3. So it is giving third row. So if I change it to Germany, it shows. Sorry, I need to type it here. So Germany. So it is changing to fourth row, right? So let's keep it as India. We know third row. Country. Let's do the match function. Match, open bracket, use this insert function. It says value, lookup value. I'm looking for country. So country is nothing but the headers. Lookup range. So I'm not, headers is here. You may have a number of headers. So you can say one is country and the city. So select this. Match type is always put it as 0 to get the anything 1, 0 or anything. So we put it as 0 to get the, it says first column. It gives first column. See here, so you can see 1 and 2. So if I change it to city, then it shows us second column. So match function for the to get like VLOOKUP function for that. If you want to combine index and match to get the result, so for that we need to find a row number and the column number. Whereas here index we manually giving the row number and the column number. For this row number column number, we're trying to use a match function to get the result. So now it has given the position of this of the particular country, which row and which column. I'm just selecting the header and the city. So let's try to combine match and the index function to get the result here. We'll go into next sheet. So have a small data, country, continent and the city using the index and match. Now we need to find India continent. So if in India continent, I need to know which continent. So if example India is in third continent Asia, so we need to get a result as Asia here. Okay, let's see. We'll use first index, open bracket, use this inter function. So first one, array is nothing but the range. So I'm selecting only the data, leaving the headers, right? So now we need to get the row number and the column number. For that, we'll going to use a match function. We have just only the index, we use the first part of it. So just click OK. You'll get an error. Okay. So it is already closed a bracket. So I am just removing the bracket. Now row. Now we need to find the row numbers. You can see here row numbers. So for that we can use a match function which you did earlier. Match. If you want, you can use this insert function. So lookup value. Match. What we are trying to look out. Lookout is India now. India. Match array is the range. So India is in which column? C column. So I'm going to select only the data and 0. Hit OK. Again you will get an error. So because you are not completed. So again you remove this two brackets. Sorry, close the bracket, comma. So what we are doing, array index. We already select the range. Row number we have given the match function to get the India. Continent is the header. So continent again you should start for the match function, open bracket, it's insert function. So continent value, it says value, selecting continent. We're going to next tab. Lookup array. Lookup array is continent is the headers. So I'm going to select only the headers here and 0. Hit enter. Hit enter. So you got your Asia. So let me change it to city. It gives Delhi as the capital. Let me change it to Germany. It is Frankfurt. So Russia, Moscow, and continent if I change Europe. So basically what we are doing it to get the row number. See the row number. This is the range you have selected. C3, C4, C4 to C10. The range to get the row number we using a match number. So you get the 5 as the Russia 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the number you can see here. Column is nothing but headers. So we need to know what we are looking for continent. Continent is 1, 2, 3. So 2 is the continent. So you get continent as 2 here. So that's the reason we are using match and the match and the index function get the, because what helps here is, say example, let me change this to city. This, sorry, if I change it like this, so it still picks because I have not changed the data here, so it shows as Moscow continent, right? because I've changed it because it will go and search for that name. If wherever it is there, it will take the result. That's the one advantage. VLOOKUP means we need to give the column numbers. If the column is increased, so still it is getting the values here. So if I change it to city, Moscow. Whereas if you put a VLOOKUP, sometimes what happened adding columns, the value may not peak. That's the reason. I know a little bit tricky, but it's a very helpful function. If you break the index and match, and to understand that, and then you do the combine both, it's very simple and very effective function. I hope this session was interesting. If you think the video was interesting, do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learning. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.